Hi everyone, for today's video, I'm going to show you on how we are going to create social media graphics using Canva. Let's get started. So once we are here on our Canva account, and if we do have a premium account, basically we will be routed to the different templates available at hand. However, if we don't have a premium account, we can still use Canva. However, the tendency is that there will be a watermark on our output. So that's why it is better that we have a premium account in order for us to have the ideal product that we aspire to have. So if you notice on our screen right now, we have here Instagram stories, Instagram posts, YouTube thumbnails, YouTube banners, Facebook posts, videos, documents, posters. Basically, it would encapsulate, or these are part of the social media graphics. So technically, with the help of Canva, we can now create or conceptualize the graphics that we wish to upload on our different social media platform. So just like for example, in this tutorial, what I'm going to do then is to create a social media graphics in relation to congratulating the batch 2023. So with that, I'm just going to choose a template in order for me to edit or enhance it. So just like for example, I have here this one. So technically this is the template. So all I need to do then is to go on with my creativity and enhance this template. So just like for example, this one, so the first thing that I'll be doing is to change the color of the academic gown. So I'm going to change this one into this color and the lady as well. So I'm going to change this. And right after that, I can also remove this one. So and I can go ahead to elements. So technically the elements contain different illustrations that could be used on our graphics. I could add some characters. So if you notice, this is in red one. So therefore, we need to change this to yellow so that it would be more consistent with the color that we choose. So I would add another. So just like for example, this one. So I'm going to add this. And of course, again, I'm going to change the color. And maybe I could also change this one to black. So just like that. And I guess we also need to change this one to black so that there will be more emphasis. And we could also add more. So just like, for example, this one. Okay, so if you notice, there are already images or characters that is now overlapping, but then again, we will just be arranging this one later part. So we can resize this and move this one, and of course, highlight this one as well. So we can now insert this one. So, and of course, to be more consistent, we'll change the color. So we're just going to make this one as all black. And right after, we're going to layer and backward. Just going to, with that, we're going to move. And we have that. And this one as well. So copy and paste and make sure that this will be black then. It's going to make sure that this will be in black. And we will be moving this one. Okay. So if you notice, using Canva is really easy then. It would really allow our creativity to be discovered. So we're just going to move that one to backward. We're done with the people on this particular graphics. So this time, if we wish that we are going to include the image of the institution, or somehow we want to change the color of the background, we can just simply do that. And we can also include the image of the institution. So just like, for example, this one. So we're going to drag this or resize, just like for example, like that. All right, so and right after, we're going to right click and click layer and send to back. Right after, we're going to click this one for transparency, and we're going to lower the transparency then. So if we try to notice, we now have a limited view in terms of that particular building. So we're just going to move that back. And again, this is now highlighted. So this time, let's try to change the color of our or the text of our graphics. So just like for example, from congratulations, we're going to edit this. Let's include graduates. And we can also change or have an effects. So just like for example, we are going to use this one. And if you notice, there is an overlay. So there, we need to adjust the thickness of it. So just like for example, and we're just going to choose any color. So just like that, so that it would be more appropriate. Okay, so we're just going to adjust then. Technically, we can create the different graphics on our different social media platforms using Canva. It's a matter of practice as well in order for us to create the desired outcome. So there you have it. That's how we are going to create social media graphics using Canva. I hope this video was helpful. Until the next one.